Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to this sign and you will search about Discord. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next